Introducing the Toro Bullseye FieldClean 580. This is a high-flow vacuum unit which decompacts and grooms synthetic fields. With a 58-inch swath at 2 miles an hour, this can cover an entire acre. To operate the FieldClean 580, you will need a tractor with 25 horsepower at the PTO and lift capacity of 1,350 pounds. With an adjustable front roller, you can move the tines according to your field conditions. The final result will be debris cleaned from the field, including small rocks, pine needles, track cleats, hair breadths, and coins, along with small particles such as hair and dust collected in the vacuum bag unit.